Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great Monday so far. And welcome to this new video on Scale, which, well, I mean, you probably haven't missed it if you're watching this video, but it has been very bullish since, well, basically the entire day yesterday. I could have bought this. I should have bought this. I was looking at it the entire day yesterday. And in the end, I mean, like you can see it right here, I mean, usually in bullish market circumstances like these, when a crypto breaks above its recent high, all right, so that for Scale that was this level right here at like 3.37 cents. Usually when it breaks above that level, that means that it's going to rally up higher, all right? It's not always a rally like this, but usually it is higher. And what we saw yesterday and still today is that Scale just has a lot of momentum, all right? This is the open interest in the last day. For the last, well, let's say 2, 3, 4 hours, it has kind of fallen down a bit because we hit a major resistance level at 5 cents. And at some point of time, these rallies just stop. But you can see yesterday it was super strong. I mean, the open interest basically went up from 5 million on Saturday. So that's a little bit further back, all the way up to 28 million. I mean, when the open interest, that's an increase of about like 500%, 400, 500%. Usually if the open interest goes up that much, it's super bullish, right? Even when it went up 200% yesterday evening, it was already to be expected that it would rally higher, right? It just usually does when the open interest is up that much. Now, the reason behind this move is a little bit unclear to me. It's always easy to call it manipulation. I think it's at least partially manipulation. I cannot accurately see where all the volume is coming from right now, but maybe I can on CoinGecko. Kind of. I mean, you can see quite a lot of volume coming from Turkey, which is usually an indication of manipulation. So I will assume that it is manipulation, but I mean, in the end, I mean, it's also not that much of a normal move, right? But that doesn't matter, all right? Right now, market circumstances are still fine. Bitcoin had a bit of a pullback earlier, but that has been fixed now. And Scale on its own, like I said, the momentum has stopped growing. It's still very high and the volume is also still increasing. So in general, at this moment, Scale technically is still bullish. Now, does that mean that it will rally up higher? I am not sure, all right? Because the main thing it has to do is just break above this main resistance level, all right? So the main resistance level is between 5 and 5.1 cents. And if you take a look at the daily chart, then if it breaks above that level, really the next level, there's a bit of resistance right here at 5.5 cents. So let's just call that the next price target, but it could theoretically rally all the way up to 6 and 6.5, which is the next major resistance level. So what it needs to do for that is just break above 5.1 cents. All right, if it does that, like I said, first price target 5.5, but a big chance that if it breaks above 5.1 cents, it will also move up to 6. So that is what it needs to do. And at this moment, if I would have to give you my thoughts on if that is most likely or not, I would say yes. All right, because it still is showing so much momentum. But I do think it will retest its main support before that, which is this level right here between 4.4 and 4.6 cents. And if for some reason, and that's the tricky part with manipulations like this, if for some reason Scale drops down to that support and it's not able to hold it, so it drops down below, let's say 4.5 cents, then it's going to take a bit longer. Then we'll see some more bearish momentum down to 4 and 3.8 cents. And from there, it could still rally up again. But that will be a lot harder, and I will keep you updated on that because it could also be that it just falls back down from there. So I would say it's most likely that Scale will continue today and just this week with the bullish momentum. But I do, like personally, I would wait for a breakout above 5.1 cents. And if it's not able to get that, at some point of time down the road in this week, we should conclude that it's probably not going to happen. All right, so those are my thoughts on Scale for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. As you can see at the top right there, I also have my own premium and signal groups. If you're interested in that, if that sounds interesting, check them out. Like I said, links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, have a great week. Have a great rest of your day, and bye.